Good morning, guys. This is Bhatt Agro Farms from Kashmir, and today I'm going to introduce you Kashmiri Wazwan, which is one of the largest, feast, non-veg feast, which is very famous in Kashmir. So I will take you to the Kashmiri Wazwan today and let you know what are the different types of non-veg feast we prepare here and how it gets prepared. What are its recipes? I'm going to give entire detail about it. So first of all, let me introduce you today. This person is approximately this leader of this group, and he has approximately 45 years of experience as a cook in Kashmiri Wazwan. And this person also is working under him, and he has approximately 10 years of experience in the same field. And this is a third person who is also working under the same leader, and he has experience approximately of 9 years. So let's go through the Kashmiri Wazwan recipes and different dishes which they have prepared. सर जी दिखाइए क्या तैयार किया आपने आज. सर इसका नाम क्या है सर?
इसका नाम है सफ़ेद रिश्ता.
Okay, so this one is called सफ़ेद रिश्ता. It's a completely mutton one, and mutton is properly chopped, and then we can get this this रिश्ता. So it's a chopped mutton. हाँ जी सर, दूसरा दिखाइए सर जी.
दूसरा ये है.
ठीक है सर जी. तो इसका नाम क्या है सर?
ये है लाल रिश्ता.
Okay, so this is again chopped mutton, and the difference between the previous one and this one is this is red in color and the previous one was white in color. Thank you. And उसके बाद दिखाइए सर जी और क्या है यहाँ पे आपके पास? Okay, and
ये है गोश्ताबा.
ये गोश्ताबा सर. Okay, so it's guys, this is called goshtaba. Again, it's a chopped mutton, and it's bigger in size as compared to previous two, and it is white in color. Thank you very much. उसके बाद सर क्या है?
ये है दानवल कोरमा.
And guys, this is again a danwal korma. It's recipes and all I'm going to let you know later, and it is again a mutton one, and the taste will be a bit different than the previous one. Thank you. उसके बाद सर आपने क्या तैयार किया है?
ये है मटर मशरूम.
Yes, guys, this is called a mutter mushroom. So it is made up of mutton plus mushrooms, and also the mutter is also added to it. So it's called a mutter mushroom. Thank you. सर जी उसके बाद क्या तैयार किया सर आपने? Hi guys, this is called korma, and again it's made up of mutton, and it's a very spicy one and very famous in Kashmir. So it's called Kashmiri Korma. So made up of mutton, it's a part of dish of Kashmiri Wazwan. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is called abgosh, and it's again kind of, it's not properly cooked yet. It is under process, and it's again made it's a mutton, 100% mutton, and it is under process. It may get ready after couple of hours, and once it's properly properly ready dish, then I will again take a different video for this. Okay, so this is called a Rogan Josh. It's again a mutton one, and it is completely ready right now, and it's one of the famous part of Kashmiri Wazwan dish. Thank you.
ये है मेथी माज.
Okay, so we call it Methi Maaz. That means it's a methi and all is added to it. It's one of the famous recipe which I'm also going to talk later about the description of it, how what is the proper recipes to prepare this kind of dish. It's again one of the famous part of Kashmiri Wazwan. Thank you.
ये है दुपैज़ा.
Dupez. Okay, it's again the part of one more dish which is part of Kashmiri Wazwan, and it has different names, and if I maybe explain you in Kashmiri name, that may not be helpful to you, but it is less spicy, and it is again made up of 100% mutton. And guys, this is Tabak Maaz. It's a very famous in Kashmir. It's a part of Kashmiri Wazwan. Almost 100% Kashmiri Wazwans will be covered by this particular dish, and this is I think fried under ghee. It's a very famous one. Thank you very much. And guys, this is a normal chicken fried one, and they have to again put some gravy on it in order to make a proper dish. Once it is ready, I will upload a different video for this. Thank you. Okay, so this is a Kashmiri Kebab, again 100% mutton, and it is again properly cooked material and ready to eat. And this is also one more dish of Kashmiri Wazwan. There are thank you very much. And there are more than 25 types of non-veg items which are added to the Kashmiri Wazwan. I will take you to the other dishes as well shortly and let you know how our cooks are preparing those kind of dishes as well. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I would like to request you can subscribe my channel, comment and like. And also I would request you can find the same video in Alfa's Maroon Cafe YouTube channel along with Kashmiri But Farm Agro Farms. Thank you very much.